Assalamualaikum everyone, my name is Elena, I'm from Romania, and today I want to talk to you about the beauty of Pakistan and why you should all visit Pakistan. I think first of all I should thank Eva Zubek for promoting Pakistan tourism, and you should all support her. She's doing a great job. Now I want to tell you that Pakistan has the most beautiful valleys. You will find places in Pakistan that will be like heaven on earth, and I'm sure that if you visit Pakistan, you will definitely return. I've only visited Pakistan once, and I'm thinking that I should buy myself a house in Pakistan or just move to Pakistan. Second, they have a very nice food. I'm in love with Pakistani food, and they are the most welcoming. Also, I have a message for all Pakistanis. Imran Khan sahi kehte hai, Allah Pakistan ko sab kuch diya. You just need to take care of it. Pakistan Zindabad.